Hey guys, thank you for joining my channel. Let's get into this transformation. Today's featured product is going to be from Arium collection. Let's get into it. Okay, so if you guys haven't done so yet, make sure you go out and purchase the lace lock adhesive spray, which we are in stock right now. Make sure you go click that link to go ahead and purchase. I'm going to be doing a full tutorial for you today that you're going to need when you apply your wig, and that is your lace lock spray. You can use a stocking cap if you want. Doesn't necessarily have to, but you can. And then also a rat tail comb or a comb. Okay. Glue this if you want to do the ball cap method to where you're spraying down and cutting and all of that. That's great. The Arium spray is great for the ball cap method. I just don't want to do that today because I'm wearing or going to be wearing several different wigs. This is a water wave, and I did dye this color, shampooed and conditioned, and it is ready to wear. So you're literally gonna put this on like a hat. So I'm already on and I'm already glueless as it is. But if I want that extra protection, that's where my little lace lock spray comes in. We are up close and personal. Okay, I dig it. So I'm gonna get ready and put these in. So my baby hairs are already set, and I'm going to lift this back a little bit, just a little. Take the lace lock melting spray. You don't have to shake it up, but I kind of just out of habit. And I'm just doing one layer here. So this one spray that I did across, I'm gonna do the sides too. I'm gonna blow dry that out right now. So now what I'm gonna do is I already kind of know like where I want to position my wet lace. Definitely in the area that I just kind of sprayed already. And I'm gonna just work from side to side. So I already sprayed that part down. Literally. Even though I kind of sprayed it because it's already kind of sticking, I'm gonna go in with another layer up real close. Kind of control it in the area where I want it to be. It's on the way to me. Yes, girl, yes. And I'm gonna just let it go in like that. Just like that. I just want to bend it back a little bit again, and I just want to spray up under there, because it's like I'm creating the barrier with my lace lock melting spray. Okay, okay. Okay, now I'm gonna go on the last layer here. Now keep in mind, y'all, this is not glue. I have glue coming out. It's not glue, guys. This is a glueless option for those who don't want the glue. Okay, so already I feel laid and secure. Period. Period. Make sure that I'm never out of stock. So make sure y'all go and click the link that's right there. Click that link. Go purchase you some. Tag somebody who need this. Tag somebody who need that glueless in their life. Okay? Okay. Tag them. And look at this. Look at it. Glue-less. Ready to slay the day away. I am extra secure today. Usually I wear these for about 2 to 3 days. To be honest, I get about a good 3-day wear, and I just like to switch up my wig. So make sure y'all get the lace lock, your wig's best friend.